Use schema markup. Schema markup is a type of structured data that can help search engines understand the content of your website. Use schema markup to provide additional context about your content and improve your website's visibility on search engines. Focus on local SEO. If you have a local business, it is important to focus on local SEO. This involves optimizing your website for local keywords and phrases, such as the name of your city or neighborhood. Use local business directories and create a Google My Business listing to improve your website's visibility in local search results. Stay up to date with SEO trends. SEO is a constantly evolving field, and it is important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Follow industry blogs and attend SEO conferences to stay informed and learn about new strategies and tools. Focus on user experience. User experience, UX, is another important factor for SEO. A website that provides a positive user experience is more likely to rank higher on search engines. Focus on creating a website that is easy to use, with intuitive navigation, fast loading times, and high-quality content. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific keywords that are less competitive than broader keywords. Use long-tail keywords in your content to attract more targeted traffic to your website. Optimize for voice search. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, optimizing your website for voice search is becoming increasingly important. Use natural language and conversational keywords in your content to improve your website's visibility in voice search results. Utilize video content. Video content is becoming increasingly popular, and can also improve your website's SEO. Use video content to provide engaging and informative content to your audience, and optimize your videos with relevant keywords and descriptions. Use Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool that provides valuable insights into your website's performance on search engines. Use Google Search Console to monitor your website's indexing, search traffic, and other key metrics. Hire an SEO expert. SEO can be a complex and time-consuming process. Consider hiring an SEO expert to help you optimize your website and improve your website's visibility on search engines. Use social proof. Social proof is a psychological phenomenon where people are influenced by the actions and opinions of others. Use social proof on your website, such as customer reviews and ratings, to improve credibility and trustworthiness, which can ultimately improve your website's ranking on search engines. Optimize for featured snippets. Featured snippets are snippets of information that appear at the top of search engine results pages. Optimizing your content for featured snippets can improve your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Use local keywords. If you have a local business, it is important to use local keywords in your content and meta tags. Use keywords that are relevant to your location, such as the name of your city or region, to improve your website's visibility in local search results. Use Google My Business. Google My Business is a free tool that allows you to manage your online presence on Google. Use Google My Business to create a profile for your business, including your address, phone number, and hours of operation. This can improve your website's visibility in local search results and attract more traffic to your site.